Today we are redoing the floor of the trunk on the Mustang. It's in rough shape. Really all the side lining looks pretty decent, so this should come out pretty good. This piece up here is torn, but that's okay. It's a previous owner. I think it had something to do with that wire there, which is for some subs, I'm guessing. I wouldn't mind having subs in this thing eventually, but that's later down the road. For now, I'm gonna get this trunk floor looking a little better. We're gonna be using these here, which I already have some scrap pieces from doing the trunk of my Miata. Go check that video out if you haven't yet. That was my first time doing it. This will be my second, so it should be a little better. Also, the Miata did not have any of the side lining in the trunk, so it didn't really come out the cleanest, but I think it looks pretty decent. This one we'll be able to get a lot cleaner, and we have plenty of stuff to work with. Got everything cleaned out of here yesterday and got it all prepped and ready. Let's get to measuring and cutting. Off to a pretty quick start. This is a leftover piece from the Miata. It fit right in there. Now I had to do something a little creative with an extra piece I also had from the Miata to keep this wire out, because like I said, this is a ground wire, so it can be used for subs in the future if I choose to do that. Gotta get a little piece cut for that. But we looking good, baby. So far, so good. Now I gotta get this loud ass saw back out. I swear, man, saws that plug in hit way harder than saws that are battery powered. But I'm rocking earplugs this time. My ears are still ringing from doing the Miata. Coming together. Also, same thing as the last one. I'm gonna use that as it's a leftover cut off piece. I'm gonna use that underneath here to fill this little gap as like a shim. So you can put pressure on this and it's not gonna fall through or be squishy at all. If you're actually contemplating on doing this, don't let anything stop you, because it's really easy to do, honestly. You just need to have something to cut something with and a tape measure. Really, that's all you need. One of these is helpful too. Totally not necessary. Not 100% straight, but that's okay because this will be hidden. We're getting close. Waiting for my battery to charge so I can make this last cut, and this trunk will be a wrap. I'm all right with it. That'll obviously, that's where I'm about to put one. Over here doesn't look the best. It's because of that wire, really. And I could have done a full piece right there, which I might do just to make it look better. But either way, I gotta wait for these batteries to charge. Like I said before, I don't really think that you can get a better little trunk renovation for under $30. Plenty of upgrades coming soon for the Mustang, so stay tuned for those videos. I also have a video up on my YouTube of a full exhaust system that I did on the Miata, so go check that out as well. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video. If you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you want to see more of. I have plenty of videos planned out, but I want to know what you guys are liking, what you're not liking, so let me know.